want a new one. Look at the windows, Mama.
Honey. Look at all the trees. Tornado, huh? Look at that. Look at our backyard.
Oh, look it. We have to buy a new one because a tree fell onto our playground.
Well, I think your playground seems to be okay.
No.
Oh, yeah, it ripped the...
Tent out.
It ripped the tent. It's wide open.
Mom, look at that food thing. Look at that food on that tree.
Do we have siding damage too?
Yeah, right here.
Is that probably what I see?
We need to get new things to put outside so it can't rain on it like that.
Right there on the kick out here.
Oh my gosh.
It's on your chairs too, on your new chair.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It moved your, it moved your play set.
Which one?
Right, that
yeah.
house. That house wasn't there. Oh my.
Yeah, my car's probably, I probably get the new car out of this.
Yeah, right.
I need a, Mama.
Oh, we got gutter damage.
Yeah, I
Wait.
see the gutter.
I bet you Erie's not going to be happy with. Oh, look at it, it's so uprooted. That is siding then.
The gutter right there.
Gutter.
Where's the gutter? A gutter broke.
That's the least of our worries,
Where's
kiddo.
the gutter broke?
I just look at that. I just am so glad it didn't land. The tree didn't land on Howie's house. Look at how terrible that would have been. Huh?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Look at that tree, all gone.
Now we need. Mama.
Well, it's just raining. That's why.
This is the worstest day.
Mhm.
Oh no, Daddy's caught.
Oh shit. Our yard is a mess. Sign of Bill, isn't it?
Here's your basketball thing.
Too.
Did you?
Hey.
We'll find out how good it is.
I know.
Everybody coming here.
Look, the siding is on.
We got the worst damage.
Look at that.
That's something.
She's falling.
Right now?
John will bring the light and you'll get it better.
Okay. I know I was just gonna take pictures in the
He'll
morning.
come over here.
Tom will right now?
Well,
Oh,
He
okay.
might. If he's out, he's probably out, but if you get on his list, he'll check his messages and he'll probably show up here.
So funny, we just got new.
Everything else, yeah, but thank God.
And then we
you
have an
guys are
umbrella,
all right.
too,
This
yeah.
little girl's kind of scared because we
Yeah.
keep going.
I know.
But it's
Yeah,
just
look at
because
this.
we
You
haven't
look at
seen
this
as much
map.
damage, but we're still lucky.
You look. That's getting dim too.
Mhm.